Hello 108 students, welcome back. Mr. McHugh here. This is my second take here on my whiteboard videos, and I just want to spend a couple minutes here with what I'm calling this the intro. I really want to have a little more personalized welcome from me to you. This is my first crack of using these videos. I got to get used to staring at a little blue dot here that looks like I'm looking at you, and so we will get more comfortable with this. I really am excited about this class and using online. I want to merge more online tools and technology into the classroom, and this summer provides an opportunity for me to try some of these videos I've been talking about. And I'm looking for your input too, so please feel free to email me. We've got the discussion boards to work with. This week, I want to set the tone for how important it is to get going on track and be motivated with your keys to your success in this class. You're taking on a big challenge. I think working together as a community of math learners, I tell my students, I was an engineer, system engineer from the Navy as a contractor, and when the Navy would take out a brand new ship, they would have the first set of sailors on there. They were called plank owners, and that's because in the old days they had wooden planks, and each one owned a plank. And I want you to think about that. There's 90 of us in our class roughly. I've got 3 sections of our 108. I'm treating you all together here. When I announce averages for test scores, it's everybody all together, so we're all working together, and your contributions will help us become a better math community. The online tools that we can create here will help next fall when I do in classroom. These resources will be available to help students. So I appreciate your help here and taking on the task of helping us have some success. And I want your success too. It's important that you realize my commitment to you is to see you do well. And even though we might not see each other for a while, hopefully we'll see each other face to face. I want you to know I am available to help you. So the key thing here, I've got a couple points here, so let's go over them here real quick, and we'll get going here. Okay, number one, I am saying welcome again back. I'm looking for everybody on our bullet speed train here. It's going to be fast. It's going to be non-stop work. When you read the syllabus, I put crazy hours of 16 to 20 hours, maybe 24 hours. You guys are going to take on the responsibility of learning a lot of this material on your own. I encourage you to send emails back and forth, use discussion boards. I'll open up another one here for I call hallway talk. I haven't done it yet, but I will. When you need help, you can use that. Take advantage of resources we have here. Let's talk about that now since I mentioned it. So you have to have resources to help, but you have to have a game plan for your success. Okay, make sure you make enough time every week to stay on the train. Okay, with that said, you have our math lab tutors are available at CWI. Make sure I posted those in an announcement. Those hours available, please take advantage of those math tutors and the hours there. They can provide great success for you. Okay, and they will help you. Number 2, my math lab resources on here. If you've used my math lab before, you know about in the homework problems, you turn around there, they've got show me an example. For each problem they have show me how to work that specific example. I'm going to make a video here, an instructional My Math Lab video to go through like a tutorial to help everybody. Most of you who've had 025 will be familiar with these. There's also media assignment resources. There's math videos in there. There's PowerPoint slides. You find the resources that work for you, and I'm providing extra ones. So use what works for you and come up with a system that you're consistent with, and you go through each section, you get going. Okay, I just want to talk about the class notes that if I say handout, you also know they're the PDF files. They're available under My Math Lab under Course Tools / Document Sharing. Open up that PDF file for the section you're going to work on. Print them out. So if printing out's an issue, go to the labs, get in there, print them all out, so you don't have to spend any money on it if that's a concern for you. Okay, so take advantage of the class notes I create for you. I know my handwriting, it takes a little while to get used to. These class notes for 108 are fairly organized, and they will help. You'll get used to them. They've been a great resource for my students. Number 2, the talking class note videos I have down here. I talked about that in the welcome. I'm going to make one for every page of class notes. There's a lot of work on my end. I'm going to work hard to stay ahead of the train schedule. That's my goal. If you already are ahead of this week's assignment, then I'm not quite caught up with you, but I'll work hard as I can and fast as I can to get there. Okay, other thing, these whiteboard videos, I'm calling them WB videos here. This is another way for me to create a resource to get everybody going. And I'm hoping to maybe even do a few problems here as we need, and you guys can watch them. So let's get started this week. Hopefully for most of you, Chapter 1, Chapter 2 is review from 025. Get the homework going on MyMathLab and get started. Okay, I want to wrap this up here real quick, but I want to say, number 2, you really must be committed to this number 1 key to your success class. So please look at the words, stay on the train. Oops, sorry, when I say that, stay on the train, I mean do your homework every week. Get all the homework done assignments. Yes, you're going to do a lot. You're doing 2 weeks worth of homework and quizzes in 1 week from a regular fall or spring semester. That's just how it is. You have to stay on it. If you fall behind 3 days or 4 days, it's enough to put you behind the rest of the semester, so you must make that commitment. Okay, work on that. Be committed to it. On your notebook, I mentioned I'd like to see a cover sheet that puts your name on there. Tell me your goals. List them in the discussions. Write your goals down for CWI and for our class. If you've got goals and you're motivated, why are you doing this? Why are you making these sacrifices? You can do this, okay? It can be a great summer, but it's going to be a lot of work. Okay, staying on the schedule. What does this mean when assignments open up? They're all open. On Sunday, when the train schedule says they're due, you got to get them done because I zero them out Monday morning. No exceptions, okay? You have to get them done. Okay, now that's good enough for now, so I'll talk to you more on another video. Okay, take care. Bye.